Today we have a Bosch stovetop that the center burner is not creating a very good flame. It's pretty weak. So we took off the burner cap. We're gonna stick this tool down into this small burner orifice made of brass, and we're going to spin it around a few times in that hole to break up any debris, and that's going to allow more gas to flow through. We put the burner cap back on. We're going to light it. This one needs to be lit because the igniter isn't working, and we have a really good flame now, really strong, really powerful. Brings the flame right back. So if you have a weak flame or you have clicking and no ignition, you probably just have to clear out that little hole with an extended paper clip or the tool that we have in the link in the description below, and that's going to get your burners really running great. They're going to light fast, and they're going to give you a big flame like we see here. So it's a very quick and easy fix. It'll just take you a couple of minutes. And again, if you don't have that tool, you can just use an extended paper clip and a strong flashlight to see what you're doing. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.